Today we are staying at Mandarin Oriental Kuala Lumpur, right in the heart of the city center. It's known for elegance and 5-star service, but is everything really as polished as it seems? We had a mixed experience here, so stick around as we dive into the good, the bad and everything in between. Hey everyone, we arrived to Malaysia, city of Kuala Lumpur, and in the next few days we are going to check out multiple hotels in this beautiful city. Our first stop is Hotel Mandarin Oriental in city center. Let's go check out this beautiful hotel together. When you walk in, the first thing you notice is how polite and friendly the staff are. The lobby has this classic elegant look that just feels right. Check-in was quick and easy. So guys, we did the check-in. This is our car. We are room number 2323 on 23rd floor. Let's go check out the room together. The hallways are clean and have a classic look, but they do feel a bit dated. Okay guys, here is our room 2323. Let's go check it out. Welcome to our deluxe king room in Hotel Mandarin Oriental. This room is almost 50 square meter. Let's go check out the details together. Okay guys, on the entrance on your right side we have 3 wardrobes. First wardrobe we have some bathrobe, and also we have iron and iron desk behind here. On second and third wardrobe we have a very low light, unfortunately. Here is the hangers. Down here we have the sleepers. Here on the right side we have this mini fridge, fully loaded, and on top we have safe here. And here is our minibar guys. They bring a lot of complimentary water and also 2 glasses. We have ice bucket here, this logo of hotel on it, coffee machine, kettle. We have 2 cups for tea. We have some tea bag here, English breakfast and Earl Grey and jasmine tea. We have some sugars. Inside this box we have just 4 coffee, and if you want more you can ask from the reception. Here is the prices of the minibar. We have some chocolates here, they are not complimentary, and also some nuts and fruits. In the second drawer we have hair dryer, shoe brush and shoe horn. And third drawer we have 2 glasses. Here is our TV. Actually TV has all the application for YouTube and Netflix. It functions very good. As you see, we have a view of the Twin Towers. Our room is a corner room, and from that window we have view of the park. Okay guys, on this corner we have this rack for opening luggage because there is no space on entrance to open luggage. We have a chair here, and this side is this beautiful view of Twin Tower. They also bring us the complimentary cake and a flower the moment of check-in. And here is a table for getting some work done. Let's check the details of this area together. On this corner we have a leather chair, comfortable chair for working. We have a 2 power outlet and also 2 USB charger. Also we have a phone here and light for study. Plus we have a beautiful pen in this beautiful color with some small notepad. Here we have a small sofa for 2-person with coffee table in front of it with 2 small cushions. And here is our king size bed with 1 phone on the side bed, and there is some power outlet, USB charger again. Also you have the light switch here, you can control all the lights here, and a remote for a TV. And the bed comes with 4 pillows. The bed is comfortable, actually bed is very comfortable, good. And the exact same outfit we have on the other side of bed with light switch control, and also that's our baby crib that hotel provided. Okay guys, here is our bathroom. Let's go see the details together. Here on this corner on the wall, we have the power outlet for shaver only. We have control for music speakers. We have here some hand and body lotion. We have 2 small hand towels, some tissue. We have soap here. We have 1 sink, and on this corner we have 2 glasses, and inside this box is all of the amenity kit. We have shower cap, vanity kit, and dental kit inside this. And down here we have our hand towels also. And behind me is the toilet that is actually doesn't have a door. That's actually the disadvantage, because there is only 1 door and the toilet has not a separate door. Here on my left side we have our bathtub. They provide some loofah and soap here, and there is 2 towels on that corner, plus 2 small towels for the floor. And here is the shower, and the door open like this. The shower is pretty small, and inside the shower they provide shower gel, shampoo and conditioner as always. And as you see, the color of the bathroom is this yellow color, same as the lobby. And all around the bathroom we have mirrors. That is actually nice. Okay guys, you have seen the room. Now let me share my honest thoughts. We actually started this channel for one simple reason. We were tired of staying at 5-star hotels and being shocked because the photos looked way better than reality. So we just show you exactly how it looks and share our personal experience. Good or bad, we always tell the truth. And as always, the video is not sponsored and we paid for our stay ourselves. Now about the room. It's definitely outdated and in serious need of renovation. The furniture, the finishes, in the video it might look okay, but in reality everything feels old. The shower is also very small, and as you saw earlier, the curtains were stained and not clean. We also had a small issue with the shower drain. The water wasn't going down properly. When we called, they came and told us we should remove the metal cover manually for it to drain. But at the same time, they warned us to be careful to not drop anything like a ring, because the drain doesn't have a proper cap underneath. But the price of our room was just $270 per night. And again, the hotel is not just about the room. This one has an amazing location, great facilities, and very kind and helpful staff. Let's go check it out together. Now the lobby is a different story. It looks polished and elegant. You really get that luxury vibe here, with all the classic details and a calm upscale feel. Okay guys, we are on 3rd floor. Here on 3rd floor we have aqua restaurant and bar that is outside of the pool. We have the spa, we have fitness and wellness center, we have swimming pool, hair salon, indoor golf and tennis courts. All in on 3rd floor. Let's go check it out together.
The spa looked peaceful and high-end, exactly what you'd expect from a place like this.
Okay guys, at the end of the hallway is a fitness center, and also I should mention the gym is well organized and fully equipped with all the machine you need for a solid workout. And also the best part is has a great view to the park and also to the pool. Let's go check out the gym together. Okay guys, they have a sauna and steam rooms that work from 6 to 10 p.m. every day. Okay guys, here is the tennis court. It looks like they have two tennis courts. Let's go check it out.
A tennis court in the middle of the city, pretty cool contrast with the skyline around you.
Okay guys, here we are at this beautiful swimming pool. The swimming pool works from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. and look at this great view of the park. It's unbelievable. It's super beautiful.
The pool area is really well set up, neat rows of sunbeds and a few canopy day beds that add a nice resort style touch.
Okay guys, here is the kids club. It's working from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. and it's huge. Let's check it out together.
The kids club was really nice, bright, clean and well set up for kids.
Alright guys, you have seen the lobby and the facilities. And honestly, they are really impressive. The hotel has everything you would expect from a proper 5-star stay. There's a beautiful infinity pool, a fully equipped gym with a park view, a luxury spa, even a tennis court and a pickleball courts. That's definitely a big plus, especially for the hotel right in the heart of the city. Now let's go together for afternoon tea. Okay guys, we are here at Mandarin Cake Shop. It's a famous cake shop inside the hotel. Totally this hotel has 7 bar and restaurant. So you have got access to pretty much every kind of cuisine you can imagine. And don't forget, you have literally just 1 minute distance from KLCC mall and its food court. So there is no shortage of dining options here.
The cake shop had a cozy, elegant vibe with some really tasty pastries to go with our tea. After a long day exploring the hotel, we called it a night. See you in the morning for breakfast.
Good morning, guys. Behind me is the main restaurant of the hotel, and we are going to have breakfast. Let's go check out the breakfast together.
Breakfast has a solid variety: Western, Asian, fresh fruits, pastries, and overall it was really good.
Guys, hotel has very convenient location. On my left side is hotel, on the right side is one of the biggest mall in Kuala Lumpur, KLCC mall. And you just need 1 minute to go out of hotel and go to the mall. You have access to all these shops, brands, and also food court all together. And that brings our stay at Mandarin Oriental Kuala Lumpur to an end. Once again, the price of our room was $270 per night, which is quite reasonable for a 5-star hotel in this location. That said, the room is definitely outdated and in need of renovation. We really hope Mandarin Oriental Kuala Lumpur follows the example of their Singapore property, because the location here is fantastic and the facilities are truly excellent. Next week, we are checking into the Four Seasons Kuala Lumpur, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in the next hotel.